All right, selenium hexafluoride. Selenium hexafluoride, so 6 fluorines. Now where's selenium on the periodic table? See if you can find it. And if you look in the oxygen group, it is in group 6. So therefore, it's going to contribute 6 valence electrons plus 6 times 7 valence electrons on each of the fluorines. So 42 plus 6 is a total of 48 electrons. Okay, now selenium will be in the center. Now we need to count for 6 fluorines. So I'm going to just set this up initially and see what we get. I have a fluorine here, I have a fluorine there, another one here, and there. Okay, now let's go ahead and take care of the fluorines and complete their octet, and then we'll go through our process and do the accounting.